And it's his radio that he will talk to the team with. He has a compass. Should he become lost, he can find his way home. He has a microphone. He has his wind speed meter and his voice. And that's it. That's all he uses. And so Adam will use his dulcet tones here in just a moment to narrate for you all the way from the UK, ladies and gentlemen, the Red Arrow.
The jets flying over in big battle formation, the patriotic red, white and blue smoke streaming behind as Red 1 calls them immediately into short diamond formation as they pull through the vertical. Leading the formation is Red 1 squadron leader Martin Pert. Martin is a former Harrier and Typhoon pilot. He's been on the Red Arrows before and he's in his second year as the team leader. The aircraft twisting to the right in short diamond throughout the display. I'm going to describe the maneuvers to you. I'll let you hear some of Red 1's radio transmissions and give you some background on the team and the pilot. On the right of Red 1 in short diamond is Red 2 Flight Lieutenant Damo Green. Damo's in his first year on the team, having flown the Typhoon on the front line, and he has just returned to the US, having been home for the birth of his first child. Now in the Red Arrows display, we try to commemorate events from history throughout our display. Well, what a place to do it, but in from the right, marking the 50th anniversary since the moon landings, the aircraft prepare for the Apollo roll. Upside down at 2,500 feet, aircraft representing the descent of Apollo aircraft. Blowing to the left with Red 1's metronomic voice commands, the pilot's reacting to the tone and the rhythm of his voice rather than the movements of his aircraft. And pulling up calls Red 1 as Concorde pulls to the vertical, the white smoke trailing. The aircraft about to transition formation mid-loop. 8 and 9 moving out to the wings as they move into Signet. Upside down at 5,500 feet, now in Signet. Red 1 leading the aircraft down, about to twist them to the left for the Signet pass. As the smoke goes off, Signet moves off to our right-hand side. The aircraft about to transition into one of our most technically difficult formations to fly. We'll have 6 aircraft, all flying in line abreast, Red 6 and 7, tucking in behind in Phoenix. On the left of Red 1 in Phoenix is Red 3 Squadron Leader Mike Bowden. Mike has previously flown the Harrier and the Tornado. He's instructed on the Hawk and is in his 5th season on the Red Arrows. As Phoenix comes around from our left-hand side, the coloured smoke is about to come on. Get those cameras ready for the Phoenix pass. Red, white and blue smoke drifts off to our right-hand side. Red 1 bends the formation to the right. The smoke goes off. Upside down at 2,500 feet in the Lancaster roll. Well, many there will think during testing in the UK in World War II. On the left wingtip of Lancaster is Red 5 squadron leader Steve Morris. Steve is a former Harrier and Tornado pilot. He's instructed on the Hawk T2 and he's in the team again for 2019. Well, as Lancaster moves off to our left-hand side, it's time for one of our most favourite manoeuvres and most popular manoeuvres of the whole display. This time commemorating an aircraft that's recently retired from the Royal Air Force after 3 decades of frontline service. Reds 8 and 9 have dropped to the back of the formation. The air brakes will come out, the smoke will come on. The call for 8 and 9 to roll will come. It's time for Tornado. Board calls Red 9 as the coloured smoke comes on. Reds 8 and 9 rolling around the smoke of the other aircraft. Red 1 about to bend the formation to the left, changing smoke colour as they go in Tornado. The end of Tornado signifies we're approaching the end of the first half of our display. Is everyone enjoying it so far? I can't hear you. Is everybody enjoying it so far? That's more like it. Well, we're about to step it up a gear. We're about to up the tempo. Red will have 7 aircraft pulling up to form a beautiful palm tree, while 6 and 7 stay low with the red and blue smoke, as we start the second half with the palm split. Up they go, the 7 aircraft trailing white smoke, red 6 and 7 staying low. Beautiful palm tree over Huntington Beach, but keep your eyes on red 6 and 7. The red and blue smoke changing to white. They have a closing speed of over 700 miles an hour, passing 100 feet apart in the Chipper Pass. Reds 6 and 7 staying low, 4-point rolling down the line. Reds 8 and 9 pulling to the vertical. In the Cyclone. Facing towards each other, crossing sequence as they go. To fly straight down the middle in the Goose. The red one leaded section in a right-hand bend. The red and blue smoke coming on. Red 9 and is a former Typhoon pilot and weapons instructor. He's in his 3rd and final year on the team. 6 and 7. Red 6 from the right, about to roll inverted. Red 7 the right way round. They will switch as they cross in vice versa. Seven aircraft pulling to the vertical. They're about to twist to the right. They'll pull over the top. It's time for another fantastic split in the vertical break. Break, go, calls Red 1 in the vertical break. apart, pulling 7G in the carousel. When the smoke comes on, as they cross to the back, the smoke color will change. Across the sky in the Python. Each of our aircraft is capable of producing red, white and blue smoke. We have 5 minutes of white smoke, 1 minute of red and 1 minute of blue, all selected by buttons on the pilot's control stick. As the jets complete the first of the Python rolls, the white smoke about to come on, the red one pulling up for that second roll. 1 minute of coloured smoke and the 5 minutes of white smoke is carefully choreographed throughout the display to ensure that none of the aircraft run out of smoke during the show. In the corkscrew. Towards red 9, corkscrew finishes red 6 and 7, roll. 2 and 3, roll go, calls red 1, the signal for them to roll. Clear go, the signal for 4 and 5 to roll. Complete sings red 5 as the symmetrical rollbacks finish to our right hand side in the spectacular Jippo break. As the smoke colour changes, leaving a red and blue half in the sky, let's hear it for the synchro pair. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching the Red Arrows! Ladies and gentlemen, the Red Arrows! Smoke goes off, leaving that red, white and blue across the sky. Red 1 will lead the aircraft back to base, where our blues will refuel, re-smoke and service the aircraft ready for tomorrow's display. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening to me. All that remains for me to do is to wish you all the very best from Great Britain, from the Royal Air Force,